Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 4G dashcam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Jimmy JC450 Pro. Specifications: brand name, HeyTrack. Model, Jimmy JC450 Pro. Power source, corded electric. Night shot function, yes. Video format, DS, MP4. Number of lenses, 4. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Frames per second, 30. Power, 9 to 33 volts. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is Otis 4G Android DVR. Specifications: brand name, Ampon. Power source, battery. Night shot function, yes. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170. Number of lenses, 2. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, GLE. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Interface, USB 2.0. Number 3 on our list is Jimmy Max Otis 4G dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Jimmy Max. View angle, 105 degrees to 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, R0230. Pixels, 130 mega. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Frames per second, 30. Interface, SD, MMC, Wi-Fi, Micro SD, DF. Network, 2G, 3G, 4G. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Bluetooth, BT 4.0. Memory, 2GB plus 8GB. CPU, hexa-core. Operating system, Android 7.1. Sensor, 3-axis. Warranty, 2 years. Number 2 on our list is DashCam S200. Specifications: brand name, Hirage. Night shot function, yes. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, SC3335. Pixels, 300 mega. GPS logger, external. Battery, built-in. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Interface, Wi-Fi. Number 1 on our list is Jimmy JC181 Mini. Specifications: brand name, HeyTrack. Model, Jimmy JC181. Night shot function, yes. Batteries included, no. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Frames per second, 30. Voltage, 9 to 30 volts. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.45 kilograms.